Yeah. This is morning.
Yes, it's morning.
It's morning.
Good morning, you guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to, tell them welcome to another vlog.
A frog.
Yes, another vlog. So guys, right now we're going to make breakfast.
A frog.
What do you want for breakfast?
Yeah, eating cookies.
Cookies? Every day you want cookies? Every day River wants cookies for breakfast. When he says cookies, so let me show you guys. So when he says cookies, he's talking about this thing. It's called, oh my gosh, I can't even remember because I threw out the box already. But sometimes I give him this before I actually make his breakfast. Or sometimes he does have this for breakfast. But this is what it looks like.
Here you go.
It's very light. You can even Rain can have it, so it's like a breakfast type of biscuit sort of thing that can go into milk as well to make like a nice little sort of porridge, like a puree for Rain. But River eats it like that. You don't need it to be pureed down, right, River? River's not big on sandwiches per se. Yeah, he's not big on sandwiches. But anyway, welcome to another video. It's a new day and we just woke up. Him and Rain been up hours now, but yeah, I'm up. Sean is still asleep and so is ShéKayla, but I want to get breakfast started. These mornings I've been having something very quick for breakfast. I would put some bread rolls in the microwave, in the toaster oven, just put some cheese in that, make some tea, and that would be breakfast. Like something just really quick, or else I'll be having like toast with a bit of butter and jam on it. But this morning I think I want more. I haven't had scrambled egg in more than a week. Oh really, look, it's raining now. I guess today is going to be a rainy day. Yeah, I haven't had scrambled eggs in a while. And some bacon or something. Have some coffee or I don't know. We'll see.
What eating?
Go by Rainy. Rainy's watching Miss Rachel. So she's up, but she's watching Miss Rachel. That's what I do in the morning to occupy. So she's gonna watch Miss Rachel until I finish with breakfast actually. So before I make breakfast, I'm gonna have a little cheeky slice of this raisin bread. I'm gonna put a bit of butter on it. Yeah, I just wake up just feeling super hungry. Some mornings I wake up like that, especially if I had dinner early. So guys, this is me done. ShéKayla is going to have this one and then I need to go and pop some more toast in. Oh, by the way, this is mint. This is mint tea that I'm doing in there. ShéKayla, you want some mint? Why don't you want mint? You think it's not gonna be nice? It's not. Oh, there's apple juice and orange juice in the fridge. Let me do that. I'm gonna go and pop some more toast. Probably give Sean his, and then you see, by the time I'm ready for mine, my breakfast is gonna be cold. I wonder what River did. I can hear him crying. Get a little bowl and put some egg for Rain as well, as she likes egg. Literally just a little bit of egg I'm gonna give Rain. My mint tea in there. I haven't had mint tea. Oh, there's a leaf. Oh gosh, White had to drop in mine. So yeah, this is my breakfast. I am just about to go and unbox something that's for River and Rain as well. So oh my gosh, I can't wait to show you guys. But right now he's asleep and so is Rain. Yeah, she's right here, so that's why I'm trying not to be too loud. River is in his crib fast asleep. It's nap time. It's the afternoon. I said while he's asleep I can surprise him with this thing, so let me go and unbox it and show you guys the features and all of that stuff. It's so cool. Except I'm gonna have to be a Sean job because there's lots of screws. Well, at least this is together. Nice. So this is the project. So just screwing this piece, y'all. Wait, so this is it, and now I have to do it on this side. So I'm gonna take a break. It's lunchtime, so I'm gonna take a tiny break, even though I just started, and then we will resume. This is how far I got. It's not hard. The instructions super easy to follow, so this is good. I just wanted to show you all the little progress. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Rainy is awake, but Miss Rachel saves the day. But yeah, Miss Rachel is gonna occupy her because Sean is still making our lunch. So yeah, look who's awake.
Slide.
I'm not making a slide. Are you sitting at your table?
Eating carrot.
Eating carrot? You want to eat some food? Look, I give you some food on your table. Here you go.
Eating rice.
So it's all set up now. So this table is a 3-in-1 function.
Table.
Yes. So I call it a table. It's a table, a stool, and it's also a chalkboard. So this is the first thing that I'm showing you guys. Where River is just here. He was just eating his fries here, not the nuggets. I don't know why you don't want the nuggets, but and Rain is going to take them up. You want one, Rainy? You want nuggets?
Thank you.
Say thank you, Rainy. Rain don't want no nuggets.
Free.
I know she was gonna drop it. Maybe she doesn't want any nuggets. So let me show you guys the other function of this piece right here. Let's move this. So to change this over into the stool, I'm going to unclip it right here to the side, and it's on both sides. So it's as simple as that. You bring it up like this, and then we use this bit and clip it back. Yep, clip that there. Me and these lines. And this is meant to be a stool, which is like this. I'll put Rain in there. This is the stool part. As you see, Rain is standing here. But obviously it's meant to be a stool. She's too small for it, really. Come here, Rivy. It's meant to be just a stool, so obviously when I'm brushing his teeth, when I'm brushing his teeth, he can stand here. There's a rail back here so he doesn't, you know, like slip off. So this brown piece right here serves as like a barrier, so which is good. So he climbs in through here. I don't know if you can do it though. Can you climb in, Rivy? Climb in, Rivy. Go on. He is on the tall side. He's on the tall side, but he can climb in. So now he'll be able to reach things and stuff like that. Or sit down. I'll show you guys the next function, which is just the chalkboard. Come on, Rivy. Which is a blackboard. And I did get him some chalk as well. These chalk are actually dust-free chalk as well. So just bear that in mind when you're buying chalks for them. So it is not all dusty and stuff. Which color do you want, Rivy?
It's purple.
You want the purple one? Okay, let's get the purple one. Come, Rivy, here. Use the purple one. It's chalk. Hold it. And you write here. Look, I'm going to write your name. Look. R-I-V-E-R. River.
It's purple.
That's your name. What are you going to draw? What are you doing? Oh, we need to buy an eraser. I bought chalk, but no eraser. Can we write an A? Let's write A. Down, down, and across. Let's write another A. Can you write another A? Down, down, and across. Down. Let's go again. Down, down, and across.
That's the purple one.
That's the purple one, yes. Do you want to try the green one? I have a green one.
What color is that?
That's a red. That's a red.
What color is it? Red. What color is it?
Red. That's something red.
Red.
That's a green. Green.
Yeah, do the green one.
What's that?
It's an octopus.
Let's try another.
It's an octopus.
That's an octopus. Let's try another one. What color is this one?
That's a one. That's a one.
Yellow, yeah. What color is that?
That's the blue.
Blue.
Yes, blue.
Yeah.
That's right. I think this is gonna be his favorite part. Probably this and the table bit.
I did.
This we don't really care for right now until we put it in the kitchen or probably in the bathroom or something. Then yeah. But to get you one of these, I will leave the link for you guys. And also, Rennie, no! What are you doing eating? Rennie!
That's just only that piece. It's just only that.
Bunga! Yeah, eat this fish. Yeah, I will leave the link for you guys. I will leave it in the description, and the link will also be pinned in the comments. But yeah, I love this. I wish I had this earlier. It's great. I actually really love it. Yeah. Right, Randy? You're enjoying this, aren't you? Say yeah.
What color is this one?
A crown.
Is it brown?
Brown, he say yeah. You're so good with your colors. He's so good with colors.
What color is this?
A blue.
What color is this?
A red.
What color is this?
Just a willow.
Yellow, yes. What color is this?
Just a willow.
What color is this one?
Green.
Yeah. What color is this one, Riv?
Purple.
Purple, yeah.
Rippy, you got a really colorful board there. I love your pretty colors. You're doing so good. Where are you going with the table? There's a table made its way out of the living room already. Oh, Rippy, don't do that. Sit. Don't climb on it. You're so silly. You can keep mommy company there. Let me turn on this light. What's up, y'all? It's the same day. I'm here cooking some stewed chicken. So yes, I have showered. It's several hours later. It's actually afternoon, and I'm here just getting dinner started from early. I actually went to the meat shop, got my weekly meat, went to the butcher. Yeah. And now I'm cooking some stewed chicken right here. I just put them in. Why are we slamming the door? So yeah, I'm just doing some stewed chicken. But let me just show y'all what's going on. When I took a shower, I did some exfoliation, and I used this really nice sea salt. I'm gonna pop it here on the screen. It's a really nice sea salt scrub. I got it from last year in America. Oh my gosh, it got in coconut oil. And when I put it on, like, it left my skin feeling so soft and moisturized. It's like I didn't need to put lotion on after the shower. But it is salty. Like, I didn't expect it to taste salty, but some got in my mouth and it was salty. But when I looked at my skin looked like as if I had put oil, you know, because, you know, during these cold times, it's good to, like, put on your lotion and you layer it with oil and all of that stuff. Well, when I finished shower, like, my skin was literally glowing. I feel like I need to hide that scrub because I don't want Kayla using it, because I looked on Amazon to find something similar and it costs like between 16 to 20 pounds. Oh my gosh, but my sister-in-law actually gave me that scrub last year when I went to Miami. Highly recommend that. So good. But anyway, let me carry on cooking my dinner and we'll catch up in a bit. This is what we got going on, guys. I am done. Gravy is looking so nice and thick, which is what I love. I'll turn it off now. I think what I'm gonna do with this, I am only doing half a plantain. I don't get plantain that often because I want it to like last. And my mother cannot stand when I do that. She's like, what? Sometimes I fry more than like I want 2-3 plantains. I'm like, yeah.
But she could have them.
Right? Says the lady who got plantain trees in her yard. I don't have no plantain tree in my yard, so how I gonna cook the whole plantain in 2-3 plantains? Like, I can't do that. She didn't say that. She said, I'll 5-6 plantain one time. Yeah, because the plantains ripen on her, so she gotta fry them up to eat. But then I can't do that.
It's Vincent. We getting like whole thing of with the plantain.
Yeah, the whole bunch, like, yeah.
So in this, like, we have to be frying 5 plantains a day because I'm just ripening. It's just there.
Yeah.
Is it done?
It was done. Your clothes? Yeah. I guess. Did it wash? Jackie body jacket. 7 million my yard, me cook all 5-6 plantains one time.
It wasn't so hot.
Cause you use hot water iron. The machine hot, the clothes, look here.
Something wrong, ShéKayla.
But it done wash. I don't know. I never see clothes hot so yet. But I think it normally wait, hot water still in there. Oh my gosh, that's why aiming out the clothes properly. Water is in there, still in the water hot.
It backed up.
Oh my gosh. My plantains are fried.
I still wash my shorts.
What shorts?
My white shorts for school.
But didn't I tell you to wash your uniform first? You're supposed to wash your uniform first, your whites. You go whites, colors, dark, not dark colors, whites. We learn that. Usually people start with light colors first, or maybe like whichever get a bigger load, but in your case your load is very small, so you could do light, white colors, and then darks. That's that. I'm here chatting. I'm on the phone with my friend as well. That's why I'm on the phone with Vanessa. Now Kayla is in here. The machine is like, I don't know what's going on with it. It's tripping because it's locked now. You can't get it open. She did get it open though. It's like hot steam coming out. I don't know. I'm gonna have to call my landlord. Anyways, dinner is ready. I don't know, for me, you know, I don't even need a side. I could literally just eat chicken and rice. I don't need a side, but I'm gonna have plantains. I might do some tomato and stuff like that, lettuce or something, I don't know, but yeah, that will be dinner.